Hi everyone, this is Nabila with Creator LMS, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up payments inside Creator LMS. Now, you all had questions about how to set up payments, whether you need WooCommerce or any other external tools or not, but rest assured, you don't need any extra tools to have your payments set up and start selling your courses. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up offline, Stripe, and PayPal payments in your Creator LMS dashboard. And you don't need to set up anything extra. So just follow through the video and start earning today. And in future, we have plans to bring up more payment integrations. So please add your ideas on the public roadmap. I'm adding the link in the description box. Now, let's start. So for that, you have to go to the Creator LMS settings. So this is basically the global settings. Here you have to go to the payments option. Now in this place, you can see that there are three options here: offline payment, Stripe, and PayPal. We have plans to integrate Molly, Authorize.net, and your preferred payment getaways in the near future. So feel free, add them in our ideas board in the public roadmap. So here you can see you can enable whichever payment getaway you want. So here you can see that you have the option to manage them. So for the offline payment, if you click on manage, you'll see there are three options. So you can enable the test mode and check it if the order is getting accepted or not. Then you can go back and you can manage the Stripe and PayPal. So here, if you click on manage, you will see a title where you can mention which payment getaway this is. You can add the instructions. So if you have special instruction on how your students should pay the price for the courses, you can add it here. You can enable the test mode to check the payment getaway and if it works or not, or you can just disable this. And you can add the live publisher key and the live secret key here under your Stripe payment method. So if you want to know how to find your live publisher key, you can see that we have linked them here. You can just go ahead and see how you can add them. Now, if you scroll down, you have some more options. Now, you can select the payment methods that you want to enable for your course. Now, the current currency is USD. So only USD supported currencies are shown here. All right. So here you can see that you can add card. So by default, the card option is selected. Otherwise, you can add ACH credit transfer. Then you have the affirm option where you can use USD and CAD. You can see the afterpay, clear pay option. You can see the cash pay app, and you have the Klarna option. So let me just specify this. If you use Klarna, you can enable the buy now and pay later financing option for your students. This is a very good option if your course is high ticket course and you want your students to enroll, but if they have financial shortage, they can always use the buy now pay later option. So these are the current options that are available in the Stripe payment method. So if you click on save changes, if you want to enable this, you can always enable the ones that apply to you, and then you can save changes. Then let's go back, and here's the PayPal. So if you click on manage here, you can see that this is more or less similar. So you can enable the test mode. The title and instruction is same for the PayPal. And since PayPal is pretty straightforward, all you have to do is add your merchant email, your client ID and client secret ID, and your PayPal payment method will be enabled. It's pretty straightforward. So go ahead and add your payment method here. Then you can see the currency settings. Now here you can change the currency settings using your necessary currency. You can see there we have added some options here. Then we have the currency position, We have the 1000 separator, decimal separator, and number of decimals. These are pretty straightforward and added the standard ones by default. So that's about it for the payments. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and show one of the payments, how it works in the front end. All right. So if you go to the courses, so this is a paid course. All right. So let's go ahead and preview this. Now here, let's preview it in the incognito tab. Now let's say if I click on buy now, you'll see that there are 3 options here. So if you select the Stripe payment, then you can enable this, and you can use whichever was your preferred payment method. You can add the PayPal, or you can add the offline payment, however you want. I have added taxes before, so there's a tax added here. So this is how the payments will come up in the front end once your user or your student tries to check out. This is pretty straightforward. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to comment in the comment box and we'll answer all of your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels, because we're gonna publish more of these videos regularly. So take care. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.